we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this novel by Russian author Tolstoy. We'll be looking at how to say more names from literature, like this famous title from French literature. So stay tuned to learn more. So, you may be wondering how it's to be said, how it's said in Russian, the way Tolstoy himself would have said it. In Russian, in Russia, it's said as Anna Karenina. Anna Karenina. Did you get this? Anna Karenina. Now in English, it's generally referred to as Anna Karenina. Karenina. Anna Karenina. It's easy. Or Anna Karenina. Now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.